Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2024 edition Volkswagen T-ROC Life that does come complemented in a deep black pearl paintwork. Housing your 1.0 TSI engine and manual transmission, it is an ideal upgrade for those wanting a nippy city runaround, packed with plenty of top features including your LED headlights and of course your stylish alloy wheels. You do also have the added protection of your power folding wing mirrors and even your parking sensors as part of your park assist. The boot offers enough space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures comfort all round, with access to your central power outlets and pull-down armrests, followed in the front by your multifunctional leather steering wheel and central touch display screen, again with the comfort of a full cloth trim. For seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with the options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, with the added protection of your lane assist and even your adaptive cruise and limiter. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations and app connect to stay connected on the go, and of course listen to your own preferred audio. Of course, you do have your on-screen vehicle information with the activation of your sensors whilst manoeuvring, with of course your on-screen climate control options for a desired temperature, followed below by your main touch buttons. And of course you do have your power outlets, followed by your central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.